This Mobile Geeks video is powered by ASUS.
Roughly our process for building a car, and then I will show you the actual in-house proprietary tool that we use to do the mass production stuff. What they do is the body in white is the bare bone platform of the car. It is what a car starts as when it hits the assembly line. It's the absolute minimum structure of the car. It's what every other part gets added to on the assembly line. So this is the bare essence of the car. So what we do in order to do that, we're mimicking the manufacturing process. We first have to source the car. So what we do is we go out and we find the car, and we have a very specific way that we shoot the car. And we just call it a rotation. And what we do is we take 34 shots of the car. We take 17, we take about 180 degree rotation of the car, 17 at elevation, 17 at a slightly higher level, just to get some parallax in the shots. And then from those 17 shots, we can feed it to software and we can start the photogrammetry process. Photogrammetry, what it does is it takes a series of 2D images that are flat, and it lays down points. And in a lot of cases, we lay down the points manually. So what the photogrammetry is doing is it's turning 2D into a 3D point cloud. So once this process is done, we can take this into a 3D package and spin around it, and we can actually see the points in 3D space. The car is starting to take shape at this point. From those points, we then generate our curves. This is our curves phase. And what the curves is, it's generating the key lines of the body. So the advantage of CAD and scanning is really time. It's saving you time. We get the same level of accuracy. It just takes a little longer because there's more steps involved. So in the Forza world, in the Turn 10 world, this is a Turn 10 body in white. It's a little different from a production body in white because, as you can see, it's more of the car that is recognizable. Fuel is a collaborative authoring package. Fuel takes the modularized cars, puts them together into a presentable form that allows the artists to actually interact with them. So what Fuel does is we've created these assemblies, and I don't remember how many assemblies. I think there's about 20 different assemblies. And for every assembly, you can have an artist working on a different part of the car. So we could turn things off, and we can show specific parts of the car. And then an artist can go in and work on any given part. On the back end, we have source control. Fuel handles all the checking in and checking out. So it allows the artists to focus on what they do best, and that is making great looking cars.